Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In this video, we'll be talking about colormap plots. These are used to represent three-dimensional data in 2D. The x and y axes are represented by position in a 2D coordinate system, whereas the value of z is represented by color. There are several methods we can use to create color maps. One of them is peak color. It requires the data to be formatted in a two-dimensional array. We can use the numpy mesh grade method to prepare the data. So have a look. Here are our imports. Now let's create the x and y values. X equals y, and here we have a list of numbers, 100 numbers. Now let's format the data. So we use the mesh grade method in numpy. To prepare the data, we assign the data to x and y respectively. Now let's define the values of z. So here's our z. We're using the sine function here, the cosine function, and so on. And now let's create a color map. So we use peak color, and we use x, y, and z. Again, x and y are going to be represented by position on a 2D surface, and z is going to be represented by color. What we get is this. This is the result of this function over here. You can also add edge colors. So x, y, z and edge colors equals red. And now we will get red edges. You can also use predefined matplotlib color maps. They're available in MPL-CM. To use one, set the CMap argument accordingly. So here are some examples. Here we use the BWR color map, and the result looks like so. Blue, white, red. Here's some more built-in color maps. For example, plasma. This one looks like so. Then we have inferno. Inferno looks like so. Then oranges. So, different shades of orange. Then twilight. This one is pretty nice too. Or, for example, jet. This one looks like so. And there are many, many more. You can just check out the documentation again. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.